break down? Did y'all break down?
Arkansas, going to Shreveport. I'm from a job.
I was trying to check on y'all sitting right here under the bridge. It's bad a place that it is.
Yeah.
You have your license on you? Do you have a license? Do you have an ID? Yeah. Come over here. I want you to get run over, boss. Come over this way so you don't get run over. Y'all heading back to Shreveport?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we on our off days.
Off day? Where y'all work at?
Down at 3M plant.
Where's that at?
3M plant down there in Arkansas.
Where at in Arkansas?
What is 3M plant.
3 in Little Rock.
Little Rock?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Y'all give me just a minute. I'll have y'all out of here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Arizona, Charles William Charles, 3693, I-30 eastbound at the 4.
Telephone received 23, correction, 2139.
A little bit. We're in such a bad spot right here where we're at. Driver didn't have a driver's license. Where you at? Westbound, I-30, around the 13, I believe. I got it out with Louisiana 938 George King Lincoln 938 GKL. Driver gave me his ID and then fled from the stop. We're westbound, speed's about 115.
What do you want me to do?
Get behind the car.
Sure.
36 up. I'm trying to get to 7 Pike Church.
He just about crashed out. I can't tell if they're pulling over or not.
Yeah, 22.
22, Jim traffic one.
Out. 1050.
10-4, he's about half a mile ahead of me. I'm just trying to catch back up. I'm running 122, maxing out. Just past the 10 mile mark.
clarifying, that is going to be a silver Chevrolet Impala.
Just took the 7 exit.
Central to any units in the area, we've got ASP and a 1080. They're headed westbound on I-30 and they just took the 67 exit. It's going to be a silver Chevy Impala with Louisiana tag.
Headed back towards 67.
Up past 23 on step 18.
Back eastbound.
On 30 now.
There were 2 black males. Driver, I forgot his ID. I don't got the passenger yet.
Let me know if you go past 12.
10-4. They're a ways ahead of me. I'm trying to put eyes on them again. They've got one blinker on that stayed on since they went off into the median.
Let it pick out, you know, we can play on 7. It sounds like they just started westbound or what's up there? Off 18 on the spikes up at the river bridge.
10-4, we just took the 12 exit. Crash, roll over, roll over, roll over. Start EMS. Grab a rifle.
On your stomach! On your stomach! Do it now! On your stomach! On your stomach! Do it now! Passengers in the woods. Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on your face! Don't move. I will shoot you. Don't move. Come out here now. Do it now. Do it now.
Police department number B is in boy. RP's calling in.
Come here, on your stomach.
It's going to be in reference to
On your stomach.
still with a Devin Wright.
On your stomach.
Hospital 99. They've asked that he's trying to assault her husband. So.
22-0, fuck up. Come on. 10-12 with me. He's taking one into custody. I've got the other. Hands behind your back.
Told you, man, that was stupid, man.
We'll get an ambulance down here and check y'all out. That was really dumb of you, man. You break anything? Why'd you run?
I wasn't running. I was telling him to stop. Look, hey, he's just my passenger and my co-worker.
Kick this leg up.
204, 205. If you make contact, there should be 3 or 4 suspects in the black 40 Go Sport with him. One of them should be a TJ Franks and another one by the name of Mark.
Anything broke on you?
Busted my head.
We'll get an ambulance down here to check y'all out.
Anybody
in the back?
Bro, man, you down.
Is there anybody in the back?
No. Oh, you down bad, baby? Yeah. I'm sorry, brother.
Give me a second. I'll help you with him. Come over to my car with me. I'll place you inside of it first, okay?
That's right there, bud.
You down bad, man, bro.
22 Oak. Start next with 1011. Give me another unit for transport.
22, I'm almost to you. Got the FedEx.
We'll go over here on the passenger side of my car.
I'll be pulling up on 22.
Take me off this and 10-6 flat. I'll be on information.
Just run because you've been drinking? Hold still. You go sit down, you're going to get these cuffs tighter. Can you spin towards me or lean forward? Lock these things on you until we get an ambulance over to check you out, okay? Yes, sir. Watch your foot. You'll get slammed in the door. You got to push your foot that way. Oh. Can you put this one in your car? We'll place you in the back of the car until we get an ambulance up here to check you out, okay? Hey, you did get your head pretty good.
In the area of East Clinic, being route with 204, the suspects are possibly armed with a baseball bat.
I'll give you a second. I'll let you know here in a second.
Let me lock your cuffs up so they don't get any tighter on you, okay? Bring them over here. Hey, Hank, you got gloves? Hold on, let me double lock his cuffs real quick. Hold on. Let me see your light. Thank you.
10-4.
Hey, I got a phone in that car.
Man, if I can find it, I'll get it for you. A phone?
Yeah.
What kind? iPhone, Android?
Man, that's fucked up, man, how you did that, bro, like that. I was telling you, man, what the fuck are you running for? You got a warrant or something?
Yeah, 10-4, gonna be on.
Over past that, buddy. Just lean on my car. I'm gonna clean you up. Don't sit in my car with that blood. You lean on that car. I'm sorry. Take a seat. You're good, bro. Stay right there. Don't move.
Yeah.
What's your head?
Hey, when you clean him off, will you look for a wallet on him at the passenger? Sorry, I'm stealing your light. Thank you. Appreciate your help.
Yes.